The first residents in this home came to Monrovia in 1892. William A. Walker and his wife Edna moved from Kansas and lived in a rental house until William purchased land on Ivy from Eliza J. Kiefer, wife of Colonel Samuel Kiefer. The Walker family then had a single-story, Victorian-style home built here and moved in. Before the family moved to Oakland in 1918, Mr. Walker became Monrovia City Clerk and later served on the City Council. William and Edna's daughter, Mary, was a teacher at both Monroe School, which was then called Orange Avenue School, and Linwood Avenue School. The house was purchased by E.K.C. Evans in 1903, but only 2 years later, he sold it to Morton Miller, a real estate broker from La Cañada. Miller's widowed daughter, Nettie Wickham, also moved in and stayed after her father died in 1912. During that year, the second floor was also added to the house, giving it the appearance it has today, which is more craftsman than Victorian. After the Wickhams came Marie E. Spalacy, along with her 2 children. In 1920, George W. Herr lived here with his wife, 2 sons, and daughter. Both of his sons worked at the Southern Counties Gas Company. Thanks for stopping at 136 North Ivy Avenue. Remember that people do live in this home, so please keep a respectful distance while admiring the architecture. To continue the tour, go down Ivy Avenue to stop number 4 on your map, which is City Hall, or visit the 11 Oaks Hotel, which is stop number 2.